At Lead College, we are committed to equipping our students with the right skills, confidence, and real-world experience to excel in the aged care. Our program goes beyond classroom learning, providing practical training and placement opportunities to ensure students are job-ready. With expert guidance and state-of-the-art training facilities, we prepare them to take on leadership roles in the industry.
Studying at Lead College has been an incredible experience for me personally. The trainers are highly skilled and they do really care about our success. One of the best parts of this course till now has been that we do get a lot of hands-on experience and we don't just study theories. We practice in real-life scenarios in our fully equipped simulation room. This has helped me build confidence in handling real situations, from assisting elderly clients to managing care plans. I do truly feel that I'm ready to work in the aged care sector.
What makes this course even more valuable is the placement opportunity Lead College provides. Through the industry partnership, we get hands-on training in real workplaces, working alongside professionals and gaining practical experience. This has been an incredible opportunity to apply what we have learned in a real setting, and it has helped me feel confident about stepping into the workforce. I know I'm ready to take the next step in my career.
Our goal is to empower students with the right skills, experience, and industry connection to succeed in aged care. So if you're ready to take the next step and build a rewarding career, we would love to welcome you to Lead College. Join us and take the next step toward a rewarding future.